Right, news coming in from the Apex Court where SC has commented on Jharkhand judge murder case, and SC has directed CBI to file weekly status reports before High Court. SC has also asked centre and state to reply on the safety of judicial officers. Remember, this particular development came after Supreme Court wrapped up several agencies for not ensuring safety of judicial officers. This particular comment, of course, comes on the Jharkhand murder case of a judge, and that particular mystery is still to be solved. You can see those visuals of the incident where a judge was ran over and he eventually died, and now Supreme Court has directed CBI to file weekly status reports before the High Court. To give more details on this, I am now being joined by Meenakshi Bhanja. Meenakshi, over to you for more details.
Well, that's right. Gauri, our viewers will recall this is a suo motu that the Supreme Court has taken of this incident. And in the last date of hearing, we have seen the Chief Justice of India slamming what he had termed the callous attitude of premier agencies like the IB and the CBI. And today there was a status report that the CBI had submitted in the Supreme Court in sealed cover. So the Chief Justice of India went on to observe as to how he had gone through the contents of the status report, but there is not much to it. He made an observation to the solicitor making a representation for the CBI. However, like you rightly mentioned, the matter Supreme Court has kept pending with itself. That is very interesting. This matter has not been closed or disposed of by the top court. It has kept the matter pending before itself, and it will take it up as and when required. However, today the Supreme Court has directed for the agency CBI to file weekly status report before the Jharkhand High Court in the hit and run case of a judicial officer in Dhanbad, like you rightly mentioned, which eventually led to his death. And the Supreme Court has also asked for the central government and all state governments of the Indian Union to file their replies on how to create an environment to make judicial officers feel safe inside and outside courtrooms. So this is another aspect that the Supreme Court is going to be looking at. Remember, the Jharkhand High Court also had taken suo motu. The Supreme Court had said on an earlier occasion it is not going to come in the way of the suo motu of the Jharkhand High Court, but the Supreme Court of India's suo motu would be with regards to creating a broader security apparatus and safety environment for judicial officers and judges who are working fearlessly, as the Chief Justice of India had termed it last time, both inside and outside courtroom. The Chief Justice of India, the Supreme Court, is majorly concerned with so many instances of threat and violence happening against judicial officers involved in sensitive cases. So the Supreme Court continues to keep this matter pending with itself, Gauri. It will keep taking it up as and when required.
Right. Thank you, Meenakshi, for sharing all those details.